In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page to your website in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each choice means, and how to start customizing your new page with confidence. First, from your Squarespace dashboard, head into the website area. This is your central hub for everything related to your site's structure and content. Once you're there, open the Pages panel. This is where your site's navigation lives and where you'll control which pages appear in your menu and which stay hidden. Before you add anything, decide where the new page should live. If you want it to show up in your site's main menu, place it in main navigation. If you want it hidden from navigation, for example, a landing page you'll link to from an email or ad, use not linked. You can always change this later by dragging the page between sections, so don't worry if you're unsure right now. Next, click the plus icon to add a new item. This opens the page creation options. You'll see a library of templates designed for common needs like about, contact, or services. Templates give you a quick starting structure with placeholder content that you can replace, which is great if you prefer a guided setup. If you want complete control and a clean slate, choose Add Blank. When prompted, select Page. This tells Squarespace you're creating a standard page rather than something like a folder or a specific collection type. It's the most common choice for general content. Now give your page a name. Keep it short, clear, and descriptive. Think about, pricing, or portfolio. The page name appears in your navigation if it's in main navigation, so aim for something visitors will immediately understand. This name can also influence your page URL and SEO, so clarity helps both people and search engines. With the page created, click Edit to open the visual editor. This is where you can add sections, drop in text, images, buttons, forms, and more. Start by outlining the key information you want on the page. Then build it up with content blocks. If you used a template, replace the placeholder text and images with your own. If you started blank, add a hero section or heading first to anchor the design, then layer in supporting content. As you work, preview how the page looks on mobile and desktop, and keep your branding consistent with fonts, colors, and spacing. When you're happy, make sure your changes are saved, and if you place the page in not linked, add it to your navigation later if needed. That's it. You've added a new page in Squarespace and started shaping it to fit your site.